Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you've been searching for ways to earn a little extra cash from your phone during your free time, we've got you covered. Because in today's video, we are going to take a look at some of the best legitimate cash apps games that can actually pay real money, how they work, how they pay, and what you should realistically expect before getting started. Now, before we begin, please keep in mind that no gaming app will make you rich overnight. These apps are best used as a small side activity for earning rewards, gift cards, or extra spending money. So let's begin. Now, my favorite popular gaming platforms for earning real money is Skills. Because Skills host competitive games where players can participate in cash tournaments against other players. Popular titles include puzzle games, card games, and strategy games. Players deposit funds into tournaments and compete for prize pools, and the better your skills, the higher your chances of winning. So keep in mind that winnings are never guaranteed because you are competing against real players. This is one of the most popular rewards platform for Android users. The app pays you for trying out new games and spending time playing them. And as you play, you will earn points called units, which can be exchanged for rewards, and many users redeem their earnings through gift cards and then transfer their funds to Cash App if needed. And the best part is, you don't need to win tournaments or compete against other players. Play the recommended games so that you can earn your rewards over time. After that, we have Swagbox. This is a trivia-based game that gives users the opportunity to earn rewards by answering questions correctly. In addition to the live trivia competitions, the broader Swagbox platform offers many ways to earn points, including surveys, shopping rewards, and mobile gaming. Points can be redeemed for various rewards, making it one of the most versatile earning platforms available. And then you need to try Rewarded Play, which is designed specifically to reward users for trying mobile games, and the app tracks your gameplay and awards points as you complete milestones. These points can be redeemed for rewards, making it one of the simplest ways to earn while playing games you might already enjoy. The more active you are, the more opportunities you'll have to accumulate points. And with that being said, if you are already spending time playing mobile games, using reward-based gaming apps can be a fun to earn a little extra cash on the side. Just remember to set realistic expectations, avoid apps that make unrealistic promises, and focus on games that you genuinely enjoy playing. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.